Classic Defender V8 soft top joins the Land Rover Classic lineup, paying homage to previous generations of Defender soft top, including the sought-after NAS 90 from the 1990s. Carefully hand-built by the expert engineers at Land Rover Classic who know the model best, each made-to-order vehicle is based on an original Solihull-built Defender. Performance: 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.6 seconds. Top speed: 106 miles per hour. The V8 power is accompanied by uprated suspension and brakes. The suspension setup is specifically tailored to the unique characteristics of the 90 soft top and combines traditional Defender capability with superior comfort in all environments. Its revised coil spring rates, Eibach anti-roll bars, and Bilstein dampers have undergone comprehensive testing and development to ensure they meet OEM standards. The brakes are uprated to 4-piston Alcon units with front discs measuring 335 mm in diameter and 300 mm at the rear for confidence-inspiring stopping power. Clients can personalize a vast array of exterior and interior details to bring their soft-top vision to life, including the grille, door handles, and bonnet script, while a choice of 16-inch wolf wheels or 18-inch sawtooth alloys is available, the former finished in either black or limestone. Prices for the Classic Defender V8 soft top start from £195,000 plus applicable local taxes, and every example comes with a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty.